Hello everyone, today we are looking at the Logitech MX vertical mouse. The design of the mouse promises to deliver some relief from discomfort, reduce the risk of RSI, or benefit those who are suffering from some ailment. All good stuff and noble. This mouse is not perfect, and I would like to highlight some of the shortcomings of this mouse as well as what it does right. So, let's see the pros and cons of the Logitech MX vertical mouse. Let's start with the unboxing. The box it comes in has a flap that opens so you are able to see the shape of the mouse inside. If you are in the shops, you will be able to get a rough idea of the size without needing to open the box. Next, the inclusions. Inside the box, we have the mouse, a unifying receiver, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and some paperwork. That is simple enough. The included cable is of good quality, that is worth mentioning. Now, the physical attributes of the mouse. The mouse is vertical, as the name suggests, allowing for a handshake position of the hand. There are some vertical lines running which looks good, but I'm not entirely sure if it feels right to me. What does feel right is the rubberized surface, which enhances the grip level. The left and right click buttons are on the right wall of the mouse along with the scroll wheel. At the top there is another button, and on the left wall there are two additional buttons. For my hand, the mouse fits just right. And half an hour of use later, I was totally used to holding the mouse in this new handshake position. The mouse uses an optical sensor, which for day-to-day use is adequate. Customizations. If you have the Logitech Options software installed, then you can assign many tasks to scroll wheel press, top button, and the two buttons on the left wall. The mouse also works with the Logitech Flow, which automatically switches between one computer to another, which is very handy. But you need the Logitech Options software installed on both computers for that feature to work. The connection can be over Bluetooth or the provided unifying receiver. You can switch between three devices using the button at the bottom of the mouse. And if the charge runs out, you can connect a USB Type-C cable and use it as a wired mouse while the mouse is charging. Now about the shape. It is made to serve a particular purpose, and to that end I'd say it delivers. Our use case was my son broke his wrist while playing in the park, and he had to be in the cast for some time. He could not use a regular mouse at all due to the shape of the cast. The vertical mouse was not perfect fit because the cast got in the way, but the shape helped and he could use the mouse at least. That made all the difference needed. Now, this was an extreme case example. For those looking for relief from pressure on wrist or for more natural position of hand or some other underlying health concerns, this particular layout has its merits. Please note, I cannot comment on medical or health benefits. If you are facing discomfort of some kind, please consult your healthcare professional. What I am saying is that as an alternative arm position, this mouse most certainly brings a difference, and the hand is certainly in a different position with the vertical mouse. Before we talk about the negatives, please also consider checking out my other channel, Property Technical. Recently, we have been looking at properties that are on the market, and guess how much they will sell for. In some cases, I nailed it. It's a fun way to get an understanding of property prices. Do check it out, Property Technical. Now for the negatives. Minor stuffs first. As mentioned earlier, these vertical lines, frankly, I would have preferred a smooth surface instead. The top button feels like it's on the wrong spot. The thumb rests naturally near the waistline of the mouse. From there, to move the thumb up on top of the mouse feels wrong. Instead, a thumb button, like they have incorporated on so many other models, would have made more ergonomic sense. Specifically, in this mouse. Most mouse from the MX series has dark field tracking technology that allows for use on shiny surfaces, including glass. This mouse does not. Next thing is the scroll wheel. At this price point, we expected better. This is a strong disappointment. Logitech has hyper-scrolling feature on other models that they sell at less than half the price. No scroll wheel tilt function either, all of which are super handy features to have. The battery does not last very long, a few months perhaps, or a little less. Now, this is particularly troublesome to agree with, while Logitech's own Triathlon mouse has technology that makes the battery last for years. The M720 mouse I use daily for work, more than 8 hours a day of use at a minimum every day, and more for personal use as well. The battery lasts for years. The vertical mouse is not doing much more as far as functions goes, and it needs to be recharged frequently. I don't understand why that had to be the case. Logitech has proven technology that they could have used. Why didn't they? In fact, if Logitech had taken the M720 and made a version shaped like the vertical mouse, it would have been a fantastic all-rounder mouse. Just because we are looking for some kind of relief or have health concern, does that mean we have to give up on good, useful features and pay more than double at the same time? My conclusion is this is a good product. Proper build quality that we expect from Logitech, no qualms there. Some minor design aspects could have been different, that is my opinion. I have no idea why Logitech has put it in the MX series, possibly for marketing purposes. From a daily usage perspective, the mouse feels under-equipped, and the price is totally unjustifiable. If we compare feature for feature, the vertical mouse stacks up to other mouse from Logitech itself at about $60 to $70 mark, something like the M585, at least from feature list point of view. So by that measure, Logitech is selling us a $70 mouse that has $100 worth of research for ergonomy on top. That does not sound right to me. Whatever Logitech's side of story is. To sum it all up, let me put it in this way. If we received this mouse as a gift, or the workplace has provided one to accommodate a better ergonomic workplace, the MX vertical mouse is going to serve a purpose. I don't want to reduce the value it brings to the end user. There are benefits to count here. I'm just a bit upset at the price tag and maintain my opinion that $170 is an unfair price tag. That being said, I need to also mention that I'm going off the prices as they appear on Logitech website on December 2021. Prices fluctuate, and at a lower price point, the product will make much better proposition. I have left an affiliate link in the description for you to check the latest price. At about $100 Australian or about $70 US, it would be about right. That is all I had to say about the Logitech MX vertical mouse. In case you are wondering, my son made a full recovery and goes about his regular life as he used to, which is mostly playing Roblox. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I would like to hear what you are thinking at this point in time. If you leave a comment, I'll try to respond as soon as I can. I'll see you in this channel or Property Technical channel next time. I wish you all the best for the new year, and until we meet again, you take care of yourself.